Ready? 7, 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slow. Mene zaida. 1. Push the girl. 2. Leading up. 80% down, 20% free. Be careful on this transition. When I push with the left hand, then my hand, if it's here, should slide a little bit down. If not, she will hit me with the elbow. So I do free, and it's very softly keeping the body connection. And on the end, I go on the elbow, and then on 4, I close. Then I make basic 2, and I relax. Relax, relax, and power. So how do I do this? We are here, 4, and then we do 1, 2, 3. Sorry. I make connection on the leg, and then I go up, 4. And then I do 5, 6, and I go with my body in connection to the girl. Here. So I go with my body in connection to the girl. And now I need to take momentum. This is very hard to make slow. So you need to make it fast. Make momentum with the right leg, with the left leg, and right, left, tap. Good. How that happens? On the first motion, let me stay like this, I turn 90 degrees and I bring the girl a little bit forward. 1. So she's like that. Yes. Then on the second one, I will bring her straight and I will step back. And as she's now straight, I can just turn and make a tap there. How do I make the exit? I release the power and she goes. And at the same time as I release, I turn her. Release. Right hand is easy. I just push. And now with the left I control side, tap. Okay, that's good.